My name's Marianne Keith. I'm a 5th grade teacher at Winona Elementary School. This is my 2nd year as a classroom teacher. This is actually my 3rd career. So before, I was a program manager for an environmental education organization into the classroom as like a specialized program to help classroom teachers teach science specifically. I didn't think I wanted to be an educator, but then once I was in the classroom, I was like, ooh, this is actually where I want to be. My career before that was all outdoors. So I worked for a conservation corps, and we would be the people who were building and maintaining trails. We're working on a social studies project right now. I was nervous to maybe do this project. It's just taken a long time for them to get to a point where they can really actually work as a team. And we were working on it today, and we lost track of time, and we were 5 minutes late for lunch. And usually I at least have one student who's like, Mrs. Keith, it's time, but everyone was working on their projects, and it was me who looked up at the clock and was like, oh, we gotta go. But it was so great to see that. So that made my teacher heart happy.